Hey guys, welcome back to Pandy. Is your Windows PC getting slow or running low on storage? In this video, I'm going to show you 3 Windows temporary folders you can clean safely to remove unnecessary temporary files. Let's get started. First, press Windows plus R on your keyboard. Type Prefetch. Then press Enter. Now press Ctrl plus A to select the files. Then press Shift plus Delete. If Windows says that some files are currently being used, just click Skip. Don't worry if some files cannot be deleted, Windows may need them. Now let's clean the second folder. Press Windows plus R again. Type Temp. Press Enter. Press Ctrl plus A to select the files, then press Delete. Again, if Windows says some files are being used, simply click Skip. Now let's clean the third folder. Press Windows plus R. Type %temp%, then press Enter. Press Ctrl plus R, then press Delete. If some files can't be deleted because they're currently being used, just choose Skip. One important thing, these folders contain temporary files, and Windows may automatically recreate some of them. Also, don't delete files from random Windows system folders if you don't know what they are. We're only cleaning temporary file locations shown in this video. And that's it. Those are 3 temporary folders you can clean on Windows to remove unnecessary temporary files. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to Pandy for more simple tech tutorials, tips, and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.